When you go to the coffee shop or a restaurant, how do you order food or drinking by using Japanese? In this lesson, we will learn about how to order food or order the drinking when you go to the restaurant or a coffee shop. So, how to say for how to order drinks at a coffee shop. In Japanese, they say like 喫茶店で飲み物の注文方法. One more again. 喫茶店で飲み物の注文方法. 喫茶店 is mean cafe shop or coffee shop. And 飲み物 is mean the drinking. Anything that you can drink, they say 飲み物. And for the 注文 is mean order. 注文します which mean I will order. So 注文 and 方法 is mean how to. So when you put that 注文 and 方法 together, it mean how to order. So in this lesson, we will learn the expression in Japanese that you use when you go to the restaurant or a coffee shop or a cafe.